Yeah, look at it. Look how many of the old cranes there are. Times pass and people change. What shape is that? And what shapes and breaks us? But from my something I've become escapist. I don't know. Oh no! Look, there's a gate. Don't think we can get past.
Yeah, we have to go out in this stuff.
Oh,
There's no getting around it.
Real shame.
He wants to climb the crane.
Hell yeah.
And I've told him he's not allowed while I'm here.
Huh?
I'm scared of heights, so I'll probably be sick. I'll pass out. And watch
It's okay. You don't have to look at me.
It's an abandoned one though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you could.
Oh, I'm gonna climb that. Once we've explored the whole site, I'm going up there on my GoPro.
You're not climbing it, mate. I'm telling you now. I'm not allowing it.
Oh. I'm at least climbing it to sit in the cab. Yes.
Maybe.
Yes. And then depending on how I feel, I may go higher. I don't know. That's okay. You don't have to look.
Alan Morris is telling you to climb the claim.
Is he?
Yeah.
My guy.
I feel so chilled here. Like, no one's gonna care if we're here.
Exactly.
Tiny little thing in the fence. I'm not worried about getting caught. I'm worried about you falling to your death.
Oh, you're concerned about me.
Look, all these are abandoned, mate. It's an abandoned ship.
5,000 likes. 5,000 likes, yeah. 5,000 likes, and we'll get some sort of like thing to go across there. We'll like get.
Video.
No, honestly, like we'll get like.
It's so cool.
We can get like either a dinghy or something like that. Like just.
Rubber dinghy?
Yeah, just
No.
something to float across on.
No. Because if you fall in, I die. Look, there's spikes.
Oh, banter.
Banter.
Yeah, more fun, innit?
Right.
Look at it though. Imagine swinging from that chain.
Oh no. Planet of the Apes. It's like... Oh, sirens again.
Banter.
Banter.
Imagine being on top of the crane and hearing that.
God.
Oh wow.
Okay, I didn't expect this.
You really regret bringing your card, didn't you?
What is this place? It is a abandoned shipyard, and there's boats, and there's all this sick machinery, which I have no idea what it is, but it's so cool. KSI vs Logan.
Oh my god, look.
Wow.
They still move.
What? Oh, it ticks. Oh, right. Oh, okay.
That is sick.
Is this still rough? No, that's
Seized up. I had no idea why this was
Catherine
abandoned.
said hello from Sri Lanka.
Huh?
Catherine said hello from Sri Lanka. God, I can't talk.
Damn, this is crazy.
This is insane.
I'm going upstairs.
There's 30 people now. Say hello, Ryan.
Hi. Hello, Ryan. They've got business cards and everything.
You should get lunch an electrician. And all he does is when you go in these places, he just points out the wires and what they're used for.
Yeah.
Oh,
I like
this
to
one
make sure
looks
things are done properly. To be fair, I'm not a qualified electrician, but I've changed a light switch, I've changed a electric socket. It's not that hard. Especially in drywall. That does not mean you should go ahead and I'm responsible, blah 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 blah. I don't like these ones, look. Don't like these ones because I've got no on and off switch. Slip and fall. You. Boop. Boop. You. JK8. JK love you. Oh, that's cute.
What's that say?
Slip and fall.
You.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's sensible.
Hmm.
Fine, I don't monetize Instagram Live, alright. Hello.
This is crazy.
Whoa.
What? Oh wow.
They're just so mad. Look at this. They've still got all the.
Oh look, it turns. Wheel turns. Look. Oh, this is like a drill.
From Scotland. Wow.
It's a pillar drill.
I'm in Wales. Why is everyone saying where they're from? Look at it. What is going on?
Oh my
What
god.
language is this? Since all of you guys are from different flipping countries, does anyone know, does anyone know what language this is? I don't recognise it. I want to say like Dutch or German.
You don't want to offend people.
Yeah, I'm good at it.
That is pure asbestos right there.
Great.
Yeah, don't breathe it. I mean, it's a mix of asbestos and like cement, so it's still not good, but
Yeah, that's what you want. Nice mix of unhealthy material.
exactly. Oh my god, look, this is the massive ramp into the water.
Oh my god. Look at this.
Jesus.
Abandoned shipyards are cool. Look how like long it goes on.
Yeah, it's because they got to do it at a slow, like gradual ramp. Oh, more machines. In the first aid room. I thought I was on the Ouija board for a second.
So massive.
That's what she said.
Family cleaning, come on. There's a load of writing on it, there's nothing in it. I thought that was a vehicle.
It is a vehicle.
Well, no, it's a crash.
Yeah, but it is a vehicle.
It's like crank,
Wait, it's got wheels, isn't it?
wheels, isn't it?
Exactly.
Oh, it's a buggy, a vehicle.
Yeah, it's a kid's vehicle.
It's got
Kids
something
automobile. Ah?
It's got to be something that has wheels that isn't a vehicle. Someone help me out. It's really important that it's freaking right.
Oh look.
That's a really mouldy mask. I don't think that's protected what it was meant to protect from. Is a bulldozer a vehicle?
Yeah?
Trolley's not a vehicle. Shopping trolley.
Yeah. Well, it depends.
Oh, it's a vehicle of goods.
Yeah, exactly.
For God's sake.
Cheers, mate.
That's mental.
This is sick. Flammable gas. Oh, look. There's dividing walls. More machines. I'm going to come back here just because it's so good.
Yeah, I should come back here for a proper camera.
Oh wow. Look. I'm guessing that's a safety brake.
Yeah.
And then this is probably the... whatever.
Jet ski. Jet ski.
It doesn't have wheels.
Oh, they're naming vehicles that don't have wheels.
Ah.
Wheels that isn't a vehicle.
Ah. How many wheels do you see on your jet ski? Oh,
Lovely
how?
videos, Thank you. Snowmobile.
Time for an ad. If you love Sean's video, make sure to subscribe to me.
No free commercials.
Penny.
Right. What do you want me to do? What should we do?
Go in this building.
Let's go into this actually.
Oh. Ahoy, sailor. Sean, does this make you nervous?
No, I'm more nervous about what I'm doing.
There's like a 4 metre drop this side.
This ain't safe.
There's a 4 metre drop this side.
You're into quicksand.
Oh, banter. Wibbly wobbly wibbly.
Oh my god, he's wobbling. He's made me swear on my Instagram live. Right, let me. No, we should both stand on this at once. That's actually quite a lot. Hold on to the row, I'm not an idiot. There we go. Amazing. He's not dying. I like it.
Oh, this is rusty as hell. Whoa, this step's broken. The reason all this like asbestos is broken because like when there was the fire, it exploded. Oh my god, look, there's all like the blooming shelves.
Yes, just there. All of those are abandoned boats. What the absolute hell is this thing?
It's a vehicle.
Has wheels, mate.
Exactly. You're getting it. Oh my god, look at that one. Someone's walked up there and it's broken. Wait, what the hell? Reckon you can what?
That building behind it.
What did he suggest?
Can't get to the boats. I want us to explore the boats, man. Can't get to the boats. I can't swim.
Guys, take this from me, not from Sean. Yeah, 500 likes. We will get something to go out over there.
On an Instagram video, on an Instagram live.
Well, you need to cut. That's why you need to come over and subscribe to my channel. And when this boatyard video goes out, 500 likes, and we'll get some sort of like raft to go across there.
No, yeah, well, Ryan may do it in an actual video on YouTube, but there's no way I'm doing that.
Oh, come on.
You'll have to find some other buddy, some suicidal maniac to do that with.
That's all right, you can just sit on the raft.
Bye,
Sean.
This is the sort of risk and like fun that I like doing. I'm going to go and sit in this thing. I will do
look,
that.
Look, there's barrels. All you need is a couple barrels, or a few barrels, some like long poles or something, and then just tie it all together with a rope.
Yeah, that sounds perfectly safe.
It is.
Bands and barrels.
Exactly.
That have holes in them.
As long as well, if they got holes in them, then yeah.
I'm not getting a raft. I can't swim.
Did someone build a swing here or something?
Yeah. Let me.
Huh.
I would swim. I can't swim.
Oh, it's all wet. No, I ain't sitting on that. It's all wet.
2 fears in this world. 3 fears and many fears in this. 1 is spiders.
What?
2, water or drowning. And number 3 is the biggest one, spiders. Can't do spiders.
What's wrong with the little spider?
Coming after Vine, what Vine?
Whoa! Sean, look at this saw. Whoa. Bro, look at this saw. They got a circular saw and it turns.
Oh, that is so like rusty and jagged. That would so hurt you.
Yeah.
You was brave at go at. No, I wasn't brave at go at. Did you see me? I was screaming.
Why does someone bend a bandsaw? What's wrong with people?
My fears are you not exploring those boats.
I like this guy. How many people want to see me climb the crane?
Maximum of 16, because that's what we got.
Okay.
No one's saying anything now, so I might have even lost connection.
Really?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
I've got 4G.
Huh. Come on, guys. Who wants to see me climb the crane?
Okay, one person said climb the crane.
Yeah, boy. Okay.
Another person said do it.
Yes.
Oh, they were just being nice. I don't know the person. Oh, fair.
Now. Come on, 5 yeses and I'll climb a crane.
You won't. Oh, they're calling you out.
What?
They're saying you won't do it.
Yeah, I will. Honestly, I will. Like.
Climb the crane. You won't.
Yeah, I will.
They're calling you out, bro.
Oh yeah. Come on, then.
No, don't edge him on because he's quite mental.
Honestly, I want to climb the crane, but Sean he's going to have a go at me. Where are you? I'm in the cab.
Did someone just shout oi?
I didn't hear that. Did you?